Good morning.
I don't know what they actually affect me. My throat, I don't know, cough. My back, they pain me. My body.
No worry. See, it's a Friday. Good morning, our viewers. It's a Friday. By the time by the time this thing will end, we will step out, we will shake, rock and do everything. Because you see everything go fall in place.
Honorable, you know, so when person do bad thing, it don't they do and since they keep am. The day when the thing go boomerang, the day you go come around, come knock am. Oh, you they call am karma.
But what you do now?
When karma come back, I don't call anybody name. I just dey talk wetin karma fit do for anybody.
Boomerang and karma an English name, so I mean I'm not related to them. So.
Hey, man, baby. We're going to baby this weekend.
Yeah, who?
We have to baby this weekend.
I've made up my mind to just stick with one person and baby with one
Out
person.
of 4 women, one person.
No, every week I decide
you want me use my pillow? You want me use my pillow on top it today?
I will
You
not
want me use my pillow on top it today?
I don't want to take that violence from you today.
One pillow no do. Man bring 2 for you. Honorable, respect yourself. Honorable, you said that your finger short. Respect yourself.
Authority into your hands. You are the man of the house.
Thank you.
You have to tame women like
Ruchi.
Honorable.
Ruchi, I meant I call you.
I meant I say you call me.
Authority. I want to take authority right now.
With that small
Stop
finger.
that.
With that small finger. With that small finger.
Respect them now. Waiting. Respect them.
I bet we'll talk on
with this figure.
Anything.
I don't know if I want to tackle poverty for example in Nigeria.
For inside our house, no people Nigeria. Inside our house, how we want to tackle poverty? Honorable, all your pikin takoko don't food their head. Takoko don't food their head.
Now your pikin is there because you're not taking care of them well.
Present government don't talk.
Are you take care of your pikin?
Hold on now, I'm not asking question. May I talk now? At least we don't hear say yes. Very soon, very soon. They go start the
1 million a day.
At least now one step.
Honorable, so that 010 you want to do for them or for us?
They no get house.
So you want to do 010 for us?
They no get house. By the time they will go out, they go and at least they will complete the remaining meal there, the remaining 2. But at least the government don't promise to give them 1. The remaining 2 can be provided for them for their
Honorable, just to ask you, Luchito say your house they poor. Is your house poor?
Do I look like a poor man to you?
You don't, Honorable.
Honorable, see your hair, you don't they get bad hair. When I marry you, when I be marry you, not be you marry me. Honorable, when I marry you, when I come inside this house, you be get full front hair. Look at your front hair now, Honorable. If they zoom it in and see your front hair, it's not the same way.
If you don't tie, if it's fit say this house on the crumbles,
go out.
Honorable, you know, I am not among people that are eating less than $1.25 per day.
So why they complain? Go now.
Because I don't see we pikin, and they sorry for we pikin.
My pikin, no.
Takoko down for the head. Forget that. Now see, if she come, how she come out that head? Takoko down for the head. Anyway,
my wonderful people, you know, say me. I know they like fight at all. I know they like.
You don't see me when I fight. I be weak.
With market women.
Like you have seen them. You are larger like me. If I know the market, you go feel by
we go need to bat small against inside.
You better let us bat that because I'm me and you. Honorable, it's me and you today. See this pillow?
Spot level.
2 of us.
You are who?
Spot levels. We are going
you are who? Don't just come near.
Man baby. Hey.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.